idea behind this conference is bring together lots of professional developers from Baltic states and neighboring countries and focus on topics around Java, Oracle technologies, JavaScript and mobile.
For the first time we have 2 days conference as we decided to challenge ourselves, and this year we have even workshop day.
The great thing we have accomplished is that we're having a full day dedicated with master classes for our top-notch speakers about web, about Angular 2.0, about AVS and other top-notch technologies that you would like to adopt in the nearest future. And you can learn from the master classes.
Yeah, so the idea of the keynote was to talk about open source and how that's really changed the way that software has been developed over, I guess, the last 20 years, and what impact that's had, especially in the sense of Java, because of the OpenJDK project. And now that Java is developed through this open source project, it's developed through the JCP, which is an open standards body. Whether that has actually succeeded in delivering on the promises of open source. And I think it very much has. There's a lot of contributions from outside of Oracle, there's a lot of people involved, and Java is just becoming stronger and stronger because of that. It's interesting because the second presentation was a lot more technical rather than being a kind of high-level keynote. And it was noticeable that the audience here, and this is my experience from having been to Riga before, a very technical audience, very well educated. These developers know what they're talking about, and they're able to ask questions which are very precise and really kind of dig into the details. So they're obviously getting a good understanding of what's going on and thinking, oh, how does that affect this and how does that work? So very good questions, yes.
Software developer conferences in general are, from my perspective, the primary way of not only hearing about what's happening in this industry, but also about interacting with the people behind it. The prime opportunity here is just the availability of so many great people, interesting speakers, people actively moving those technologies forward and the opportunity to talk to them. I personally, even as a speaker, I always look forward to talk to other speakers as well as attendees, right? It's just a very interesting audience mix.
There are 2 reasons that why I'm attending. One of them is that I'm speaking. I'm having 2 talks actually, one today and one tomorrow. And the other reason is that I really wanted to see how it's being done here because I'm the leader of Norwegian Java user group, and it would be really nice to see how things are done other places. So it's really, I like that. I really like the way the conference is and the presentations and everything. So it's a pleasure to be here.
To get to know about several new ideas, projects, technologies about software development companies working in Latvia, and to meet my former students and current students here and to know what they are doing in their professional life.
I would say most of the conferences have been very good. I learned a lot of new things right now, so if it will be relevant for my future projects or different other tech stuff I'll do at home, probably.
I think it's commonly known that one can go further and achieve more by working collaboratively with others, right? And place like Riga Dev Day and conferences like that is a wonderful opportunity for people to share good stuff with each other and therefore grow the strength of community. And by making community more powerful, each of us becomes more powerful, right?
Many of international speakers are invited comparing to previous years, and I believe that even participants, the number of participants is also increased. So it's a good job for the conference makers that they achieved.
We as Accenture, as the biggest IT firm in Latvia, are really interested in developing our people. They are participating in different trainings and conferences in Latvia and abroad. And this is a great opportunity for our people to know more what's happening in Latvia and also in other industries and places here. And our people will be, as a presenters, share their experience, what they have gained in the projects around the globe. At the same time, get experience from other people.
Each year is a new experience for us and for you, hopefully, and we like every year and every iteration of the conference. But each time we're getting better and better. We hope that we're getting better, and we would like to invite you all to the next iteration as well.